Hello dear friends, welcome to a lecture on enveloping cylinder. In this lecture we shall solve problems to obtain enveloping cylinder of a given sphere. In our earlier lecture we have obtained enveloping cylinder to a sphere which is standard sphere. Now in this problem I have written the sphere in this form which is general sphere, and the same procedure we will use. You may refer the earlier lecture also to obtain the enveloping cylinder to standard sphere. Now we shall start the solution as, suppose there is a general point alpha, beta, gamma, any point on the enveloping cylinder. Now see, the enveloping cylinder we have seen it will be like this. It is a sphere inside this cylinder, and that will be covered by cylinder. So that is enveloping cylinder. All these generators will touch the sphere. This you have to imagine, this is a sphere, and let alpha, beta, gamma be any point on the cylinder. That means we have considered this point on surface of the cylinder, and that point is alpha, beta, gamma. And what we shall do is we shall write equation of a generator, of the generator passing through this point alpha, beta, gamma. But we will have to use one more condition, that given that the generators are parallel to this line, and therefore the direction ratios of the generators are L, M, N, and thus the generator pass through alpha, beta, gamma and has the direction ratios L, M, N. Equations of the generator through alpha, beta, gamma are x minus alpha in symmetric form, x minus alpha divided by L, the DRS are L, M, N, and passing through this point is equal to y minus beta divided by m is equal to z minus gamma divided by n, and all these ratios are equal to a certain quantity, and we shall suppose these are all equal to r, suppose. And we now suppose this as equation 1, equation of the sphere, and we shall suppose these equations as equations 2. From this we can write the coordinates of any point on this generator or line 2. And this implies, so for obtaining the values of x, we equate this ratio to r, and that will give x minus alpha is equal to Lr, and that will give x is equal to alpha plus Lr. You may check this, alpha plus Lr, this is x. Y similarly is beta plus Mr, and z is gamma plus Nr. So a point on this line, second, will have the coordinates x, y, z. Now line 2 will intersect sphere 1. This line will intersect sphere 1 if the coordinates x, y, z satisfy equation 1. Line 2 will intersect sphere 1 if, and I shall write the condition here, if its coordinates of a point on line 2 satisfy equation of sphere, and we have to put the values of x, y, z as this. So x square, that will be alpha plus Lr whole square plus beta plus Mr square plus gamma plus Nr whole square, x square plus y square plus z square. This is equation of a general sphere, plus 2u into x, and that is 2u, x is alpha plus Lr plus 2v, y is etc. plus 2w, and plus d is equal to 0. We shall simplify this equation and we shall put this equation as quadratic in R, because there are terms of R square here, and we will collect the term of R square first. That is, if this line will intersect, that is R square into bracket, and here you see the terms of R square will be these terms, 3 terms, and with L square coefficient is L square R square, M square R square, N square R square, and therefore if R square is common in bracket, it will remain L square plus M square plus N square. Then we shall write the term of 2R, and I shall write here 2R into bracket, and here is the middle term 2R into alpha L, and 2R beta M into 2R, and here is 2R gamma N. But there is also the term of 2R 2U into LR, that is 2R into UL, and this is 2R into VM, and so on. So therefore you see the terms of 2R into having the coefficient as alpha L, so it is alpha L 2R into alpha L plus, and this is UL plus UL. Again L is common, and therefore we can write L common, and we can write alpha plus U into L. So that is the term here we have considered with alpha plus U, and this will be in bigger bracket. I shall write alpha plus U, you should verify this, into L, plus similarly it is beta plus V into M. You check this, and because the term here is 2 beta M into R, 2R is written common, beta M, and here is 2R into Vm, that is here, plus, and next is gamma plus W into gamma UVW, and that is N. These are the terms of 2R, verify it. And now what are the remaining terms which does not contain R plus, here it is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square, and next is 2U alpha plus 2V beta and 2W gamma and plus D is equal to 0. We shall suppose this as equation 3. Now what is the condition is that the line 2 will intersect sphere 1, and we will get 2 values of R, but we want the line 2 must touch the sphere 1, because we have to obtain the enveloping cylinder, and therefore the condition that line 2 will touch this or will be tangent to sphere 1, that is that this quadratic equation in R must have 2 equal roots. So line 2 will touch or will be tangent to sphere 1 if the quadratic equation 3 in R has 2 equal roots. This is the condition of tangency, 2 equal roots. This equation must have 2 equal roots, and therefore in general there are 2 points of intersection, and for tangent line the point of intersection is one and only one, then the line will touch the sphere. So, and what is the condition for 2 equal roots of quadratic equation? Its discriminant is 0. That is, if discriminant of equation 3 is 0. And what is the discriminant we know is for general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The discriminant is b square minus 4ac, and that is 0 means the condition is b square is equal to 4ac. This is the condition for equal roots for this quadratic equation. Similar to that, it is b means coefficient of r and it is a square. So by mistake I have rubbed this part. It is r square into bracket. So what is the term is L square plus m square plus n square. This was there, and we have to refer this now. So this is the value of b. 4 will cancel on both sides. Square of 2 is 4, and on the right side is also the term 4, so that will cancel. And square of this is equal to product of these two is the condition. That is a into c, coefficient of square term and the constant. So that is if this alpha plus u into L plus beta plus v into m plus gamma plus w into n whole square, it is b square, is equal to 4 will be cancelled after cancellation of 4. Here is 4 because square of this is 2 is 4, and on the right side is a into c, that this term. So I shall write this is equal to a into c, this term. So this multiplied by etc. So actually this is the condition. So this square is equal to product of these two terms. So actually there is space, but this is the product. So this is the condition, and this is the condition for the point alpha, beta, gamma to lie on the cylinder, and therefore the locus of the point alpha, beta, gamma will be this point alpha, beta, gamma is replaced by general point x, y, z. So therefore the locus of alpha, beta, gamma is obtained by replacing it by x, y, z is and now I shall write it here. See, it is alpha plus u into L. Alpha is to be replaced by x. So x plus u into L plus y plus v into m plus z plus w into n. Its square, whole square, is equal to, there is no change in this. So L, this means first term L square plus m square plus n square, and the second term is alpha, beta, gamma is to be replaced by x, y, z, and that is multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square. So I shall see it here. This is to be multiplied by x square, etc. This is the product. This is the left side and this is the right side. So this is the equation of the enveloping cylinder. You may verify this, check this. What we have done is we have replaced alpha, beta, gamma by x, y, z respectively in this equation. This is the equation, the required equation of enveloping cylinder. To sphere, given sphere. So in this way using the condition that the quadratic equation in R has equal roots, we can obtain the equation of enveloping cylinder. Now I shall give you some problem for homework. I have written two problems for your practice, and that you should try to solve these two problems. The first is find equation of enveloping cylinder of this sphere, this standard sphere, and the generators are parallel to this. So you should refer the earlier lecture. We have obtained equation of enveloping cylinder to standard sphere. It is, instead of a square, here it is 25, and the DRS of the generator are 1, 2, 3. The answer I have written here. You should verify the answer. Similarly, solve the second problem, find enveloping cylinder of this sphere. Now this sphere is in general form, but the procedure is the same, or the method is the same to obtain enveloping cylinder, and the generators of the cylinder are parallel to this line, and it is simple. That means this equation in symmetric form is this one. That means the DRS of the generators are LMN, which is equal to 1 each, and this is the answer for the second problem. Please solve these problems yourself, verify the answers. Thank you for watching the lecture.